Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your device can physically rotate the screen, because Roblox follows the system orientation. First, swipe to open Control Center or Quick Settings and turn off Rotation Lock. Next, open the App Store and confirm Roblox is up to date. Outdated builds often mishandle portrait layouts. Once done, force close Roblox and reboot your device to clear any cached orientation state, so the app will request fresh layout metrics when relaunched. Now you tackle the deeper issues inside the app and system. Go to App Settings on Android or iOS Storage Settings and clear cache or reset app data so corrupted layout files disappear. This forces Roblox to rebuild UI in Portrait. Also inspect display size and font scale in System Settings. Non-standard values can break responsive layouts, so set them back to default. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Roblox to restore original interface resources. Finish by testing the fix. Open Roblox, join a basic game or the home screen, and rotate your device. You should see the UI switch to Portrait. If it remains stuck in Landscape, try other apps to determine whether the device orientation system is at fault versus Roblox itself. Make sure the OS is updated. If nothing works, reset display settings or perform a factory-style display reset as a last resort. Consider a trusted orientation utility, but be cautious and restore defaults afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.